If you've been working in the online space for more than a week, whether it's affiliate marketing, crypto, or automation, you've likely hit a wall. You spend hours setting up a system, only to have your accounts flagged or banned instantly. Most people think it's their fault. It's not. It's your proxies. Today, we're doing a 100% deep dive into the only service I trust to keep my business alive, NodeMaven. Let's talk about the dirty IP problem. Most providers sell recycled traffic. Industry data shows that 25% to 40% of standard residential IPs are already blacklisted. When you use those, you're flagged before you even log in. This leads to wasted money, lost accounts, and massive frustration. NodeMaven was built to solve exactly this by prioritizing IP cleanliness above everything else. Now let's jump into the dashboard. As you can see, the interface is incredibly clean. But the real magic is in the IP filtering system. NodeMaven is the first in the industry to implement a filtering system that delivers up to 95% clean IPs. While everyone else is fighting over the remaining 60%, NodeMaven users are operating in a completely different league when it comes to reliability. I want to show you this live. I'm going to generate a batch of proxies right now. I select my target region, enable the filtering, and hit generate. Notice how fast that was. But the real question is, are they actually clean? Let's take these 50 proxies and put them through a third-party test. I'll paste them into a proxy checker and watch the results come in. Look at that 100% success rate. Every single proxy comes back as high quality. No low-quality IPs at all. If you're managing high-value social media accounts, ad accounts, or crypto wallets, this right here is the difference between profit and a total loss. Now let's talk about the extra gear. NodeMaven recently introduced their speed filter. Normally, high-security proxies are slow, but watch what happens when this is enabled. It optimizes the connection so up to 95% of your proxies stay consistently fast. We're talking speeds comparable to home Wi-Fi. Whether you're doing competitor research, managing multiple accounts, or trying to secure limited drops, this speed boost gives you a massive competitive edge. So, let's recap. You get the cleanest IPs on the market, stable sessions that can last up to 24 hours, a speed filter that makes browsing feel native. NodeMaven isn't just a proxy service, it's an insurance policy for your online business. It's what allows you to scale without constantly worrying about bans, flags, or shadow restrictions. If you're ready to stop wasting money on dirty IPs, click the link in the description right now. When you use my promo code, you'll get 50% off your first order and they'll double your traffic for free. It's a no-brainer. If you're just starting out and want to keep your costs as low as possible, use code THINK50. That's going to give you a massive 50% discount on your very first purchase. It's the best way to test the platform for half the price. However, if you're ready to scale and you need a lot of data, use code THINK100. This doesn't give you a discount, but it doubles your traffic. You pay for your plan, and they'll instantly drop 100% extra traffic into your account for free. So think 50 for the lowest price, or think 100 for the most possible traffic. Both links are in the description. Choose the one that fits your strategy best, and let's start winning.